What if one small addition to your routine could boost your brain, protect your heart, and ease inflammation without needing a prescription? For many health-conscious individuals, omega-3 supplements are becoming that game-changing solution. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential fats your body cannot produce on its own. That's why they must come from food or supplements. Found in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, as well as plant-based sources like flax seeds and walnuts, omega-3s play a key role in keeping our cells and systems functioning at their best. These fats, particularly EPA and DHA, are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and their impact on cardiovascular health. They help lower triglyceride levels, reduce blood pressure slightly, and support normal heart rhythms. In a world where heart disease is still a leading cause of death, that's no small advantage, but their benefits don't stop at the heart. Omega-3s are powerful allies for the brain. They may help with mood balance, reduce symptoms of depression, and even support cognitive function as we age. Some studies suggest a potential link between regular omega-3 intake and reduced risk of Alzheimer's. Joint pain, often caused by chronic inflammation, can also respond well to these fatty acids. For those with arthritis or other inflammatory conditions, omega-3 supplements might offer a gentler, more natural way to manage symptoms. Of course, not all omega-3s are created equal. Fish oil remains the most common supplement, but for vegans and vegetarians, algae oil is a great alternative. The key is choosing a product that's high in EPA and DHA and tested for purity and heavy metals. Supplements can fill the gap when diet falls short, especially for those who don't eat seafood regularly. But they're most effective when paired with a healthy lifestyle, balanced meals, regular exercise, and mindful habits. Before you start any supplement, check with your healthcare provider, especially if you're on medication. Omega-3s may interact with blood thinners or increase bleeding risk if taken in high doses. So, are omega-3s already part of your wellness toolkit, or are you still on the fence about their value?